Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another fun unboxing for Cavology. I have their holiday box here. I am so excited to open it because I have no idea what's inside. So it's kind of like a blind unboxing and I'm really excited because I have absolutely no idea what's in here or what any of the new prints are or anything. The only thing I can tell you at this point, which by the time I post this video you guys will probably know a little bit more, but I do know that this is releasing on November 1st. And I also have Emma here with me today. I don't know if you guys can see her very well. So she's gonna help me unbox today, and then we are gonna do a little bit of a try on for all the things that I have in this box. So stay tuned to the end. So let's go ahead and get started. I cannot wait to see this. I'm really hoping there's some red and of course some green in here. I feel like usually they only put the tape on the front, but I'm kind of glad they started putting it on the sides a little bit too. So there's a little bit more cutting involved with opening the box today. All right, put my scissors there. All right, here we go. You ready to see what's inside? I know there's paper. Yeah, she wants the paper. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. This is exactly what I was hoping for. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love these. I am so excited to show these to you. These are just like the perfect winter colors and holiday colors. I know I'm super excited. If you guys have seen any of my other unboxings for like other items, you know I get very excited when it's something that I have not seen before, I had a heads up about, so I cannot wait to show you guys these because they are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, I love everything in here though, but look at this one, you guys. How cute is this? It's like a tartan plaid with red, and it's got some deep navy in it, gold, white, and green. And I love, love, love the gold hardware. How adorable is this? Emma, I cannot wait for you to wear this. What do you think of that? Do you like it? Yeah? She's not being very enthusiastic today, but I think I'm making up for the both of us. So let's see here. I have so many cute things. Oh my goodness, look at this, Emma. This is so cute. It's a little velvet red bow. Look at this, you guys. I love this. It looks like it'll go, I'm having trouble here. I want to show you guys everything. This is what it looks like. How cute is that? It's pre-tied. It looks like it will go around your dog's collar. So there's a Velcro strip here. As far as I know, this is kind of like a new item. I don't think I've ever owned anything like this from Cavology before. Super cute. There's also a blue one. I can't wait to show you guys that too. Okay, so that is the red bow, and there's also a baggie dispenser. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. This is so cute. I love it. It even has the gold hardware. It's so cute. And then I also have a matching leash. I'm like super excited about this Sherpa one. There's a Sherpa harness and leash in here and it's amazing. Okay, so here is the leash. It matches the tartan plaid, has the gold hardware as well. In fact, I have some of the luxe collars that are gonna look so good with this, especially the black luxe collar because it has gold hardware is gonna look so good with this. So this is the leash. So cute. Look at this, you guys. I can't show you everything because I don't have enough hands, but it's adorable. I love it. I cannot wait to use it. It's definitely perma stash. If you guys aren't used to stashes, it's anything that you collect for your dog or for yourself that you just can't part with usually. So perma stash is like you plan to keep it forever for your dog. So I love everything in here and I am super excited. There's also a matching plaid bow. Look at this, you guys. It's so cute. Oh, I cannot wait to put this on you, Emma. We don't have your collar on right now. I took off her collar because I wanted her to be able to try everything on without it getting in the way. I don't know which one to go over next. I think I'm gonna do the blue velvet. It's gorgeous. It even has a Cavology nameplate on it in gold. And this is heavy duty, like it has some weight to it, but it is absolutely stunning. And there's a collar. Okay, I'm gonna pull everything out that matches so I can show you guys. This is so pretty. It is so nice. You guys outdid yourselves. This box is amazing. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and show you guys because I feel like that's the best and easy way. So this is the color. It is gorgeous, so beautiful for winter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the harness first. This is the harness. Look at that Cavology logo there. This is new. I have never seen this on a Cavology harness before, and I think it's amazing. It's so luxe. I love it. Here is the bag. It is all velvet. Even the straps. Has gold shiny hardware, which is super, super pretty with this deep blue. Look at that. It's so pretty, you guys. And like I said, it has a little bit of weight to it because it's got this amazing quality to it. I love it. So pretty. Next, I have the collar, which looks like this and also has the nameplate. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this so you guys can see it. Oh, it was upside down. Isn't that beautiful? And it's an easy open and close. So pretty. Then there's also one of those bows. Look how cute. I love this. And this also has the Velcro like the other two. And then there is the leash, which is also gorgeous and also has the nameplate. So pretty. I love, love, love this. I cannot wait to use these. So pretty. And then there's also the baggie dispenser, which this one has a nice metal grommet type of hole on top here instead of your usual silicone holes. So this is just like a whole nother level of quality for Cavology, and I'm loving it. Look how pretty. Look at that, so pretty. Okay, so that is the blue stuff. Oops, there is more in here, and I cannot wait to do this one because it looks so fluffy and pretty. Oh, this is great. Okay, so this is their step-in harness. Look how cute, you guys. Look how cozy. I love this. It is so cute. You have black hardware on it. And I really wonder what they're gonna name all these because this is just so fluffy and cozy. It's so cute, I love it. This is what it looks like. And then I think I really, really love the way the leash is done. Look at this, you guys. This is amazing. You have the black hardware with this color, which I think is great because it's such a good contrast. But this is like an ivory Sherpa, and as you can see on the underside, you have a bright white ribbon type of leash. But I mean, this is so cute. How adorable is that? I love it. And then you also have the baggie dispenser. This is your usual baggie dispenser with the silicone exit for the bags here. Isn't this adorable, you guys? I haven't seen anything like this from Cavology before with all the texture and things, and I'm obsessed. I absolutely love this box. I think it's the best Cavology box that I've received so far. Let's go ahead and try these things on Emma. And I will try to put on, I'm gonna do her harness and things like that. I'm probably gonna share photos on Instagram. If you guys haven't followed Emma on Instagram already, please do. It's at little.lady.emma. And you can follow me at kateschwanke. But I will share more photos and things over there, so definitely go check that out. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, here is Emma in the gorgeous tartan plaid. And she's being such a good girl waiting for her cookie. There you go. It looks so cute on her, and I have it paired with the leash as well. It's just so cute. I love it. And she is wearing a size medium for reference. Okay guys, for this one I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put it on her. This is their step-in harness. So let's back up a little bit. She's excited. So normally I lay mine down like this. I grab her legs, pop them in the holes like that, and then bring it up over her back and clasp it. It's very simple. She doesn't freak out because there's something going over her head or anything. You look like a teddy bear. Yes, you do. Can you sit for me? Sit. Good girl. All right. So that is what she looks like in the Sherpa. Super cute. Let's go ahead and get the leash as well. And I'll wear your leash too. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you did a good one. Yes, you do. It is so cozy and fluffy. It is so cute. We like it? Yes, we do. And that is the leash with it. Super cute. This one is really cute. I want to say it feels, even though it's a medium, it feels a little roomier. And I don't know if it's because of the material that's used, but I kind of like it. So there you go. All done with that one. So this is the blue velvet, you guys. It is super, super pretty. Look at that. Super pretty, yeah. And let's pair it with the harness. Now this one does not have the front clip, and I guess that's because they wanted to put the Cavology logo there instead. So your option is just on the back, which works for me. That's how I walk her anyways. Can you see the side? Isn't that gorgeous? So, so pretty. I love this set. Guy, I cannot figure out which set I like best. You guys need to tell me down in the comments below, what is your favorite? Blue velvet, tartan plaid, or Sherpa? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun. I would love to know once again what your favorite new print is from this collection. I love you too. You're a good girl. She's such a good sport. I really, really love this new velvet. It's so pretty. Yes, it is. And I can't wait to take it out, and we're gonna do some fun pictures after this, huh? If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Don't forget you can use code EMMA to save 15% on every Cavology purchase. Let us know if you use our code so we can thank you. Thanks for watching!